Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my auntie has very kindly bought me the Ninja 3-in-1 juicer for my birthday present. So I've wanted a juicer for the longest time, and according to my research online, the Ninja one is the best one to get. So this is the best value for money because of the 3-in-1 feature, and if you purchase this from my Amazon store, you will get it for £119 instead of £150. I have linked all of the details below. Right, so let's check out Ninja's newest creation. Honestly, I actually believe this product will replace half of my kitchen. I do have a separate slicer and shredder, so I will be getting rid of them soon. So I had a really good first impression by looking at this box. It's shouting juice, blend, prep all in one machine. I can imagine how amazing this is for making health shots. I'm also really drawn in by the cold press technology. So I'm going to have a first look at all of the attachments that come inside this box. So inside this box, I've got the main base, the juicing chamber, the pulp collector. I've also got the blender jug and the grating and slicing discs. I will be going through which product is which towards the end of this video. At this point, it's the first time I'm looking at these products, so I don't know what's what at this point. But of course, we can have a look at this together and I will show you exactly how to use each part. So what I can say about the attachments so far, they do feel solid, they feel premium, they are actually built to last. And now for the star of the show, the juicer itself. This colour is so beautiful, it will go so nicely in my kitchen. Let's get this thing inside and put it to work. So first of all, we're going to make some juices. That's the real reason I wanted this, so let's try that first. So it looks like these attachments are already put together, so I just had to stick it in there. The user guide does teach you how to put together all parts of this attachment. It doesn't look like you need that because everything is put together. So for making juices, you've got two attachments, the orange one and the grey one. So the orange one is for like a thicker pulp and the grey one is for like a thin pulp. So basically it's like when you have orange juice from the supermarket and you have some with no bits and some with bits. If you like it with bits, use the orange attachment. If you like it with no bits, use the grey one. So let's start with my favourite flavour. Let's make some orange, turmeric and ginger shots. So for stuff like orange, limes and lemons, you've got to make sure you take the peelings off. And it's as simple as switching the machine on, putting the oranges in and then pushing them down with the thing. So there's no need to peel the ginger, I'm just going to cut some up and put it straight in. So here's all the rubbish that's collected. That can go straight in the bin and you're left with this beautiful smooth juice. I know fresh turmeric is much better, but I didn't have any at home. But I did want turmeric in there for anti-inflammatory purposes, so I've just put some powdered one in. So the orange and turmeric ones are done. We're now going to move on to some apple juice. I've opted for apple and ginger. So I want this to be a really smooth juice with no bits, so I've just switched the attachments. Remember, it's the grey one for the smoother juice. So the instruction manual said take out the stem out of the apple. You don't have to core it, but I did take some of the middle bit out, to be fair. So I'm going to make this a completely honest review. I do have a strange sound coming out of this juicer. I'm not sure if it's because it's the first time I've used it. I did wash all the parts before I used it, so maybe it's that, I don't know. So the noise is like a squeaky sound. I'm going to try this juicer one more time, and if it still makes that sound, I will be returning it and getting a brand new one. I have seen loads of videos online and I don't think this is a common issue, so I will definitely let you guys know what happens with that. So my apple and ginger shots are now complete. I'm now going to make some green juice. For the green juice, I'm just going to use some cucumber, some kiwi and some lime. So we are done with the juicing. I'm very pleased with the results. So while we're here, we might as well check the other two features of this machine. I'm going to use the release button and chain the attachment like so. So I have added the slicing attachment, but I am just going to get this cheese ready for later on. So we are just going to make a quick salad. Let's see what this thing can do. So it literally took me around 1 or 2 minutes to make this salad. I am so pleased with the results. The slices have come out so nice and thin. So it's time to test the final feature of this machine. We are now going to shred some cheese. Everybody hates grating cheese, so let's see what this machine does. So it's taken me around 2 minutes to grate the whole block of cheese. I didn't expect there to be so much cheese, so what I'm going to do is put some in packets and freeze them. Cheese freezes really well and it also defrosts really quickly as well. Summer is nearly over. This cheese will come in really handy for when I make some pies and lasagnas, for example. So this is everything I made in the Ninja 3-in-1 juicer today. It is honestly a thumbs up from me. I will be investigating that sound, but I really think this product is really worth the buy. So please let me know what you think about Ninja's newest 3-in-1 juicer. And if you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, give me a follow. And as always, thank you for watching.